Now, let's start the exercise of configuring an ECS environment. Configure the ECS environment in 4 steps by an ECS cluster. Install WinSCP and Putty on your PC for uploading the environment installation package from the local PC to the cluster and running related commands. Download the Linux Jdk environment installation package. And configure the Java development environment in the cluster. Next, let's see the demonstration. Log into the HUAWEI Cloud console using the HUAWEI Cloud account. Choose Products is more than, Compute is more than, Elastic Cloud Server. And click Buy Now. Set billing mode to pay-per-use. Region to CN North Beijing 4. CPU architecture to x86. And image to public image and CentOS 7.6 64-bit. Click Next, Configure Network. Click Next, Configure Advanced Settings, select Password Login and remember the password for subsequent login to the cluster. Confirm the specifications and click Buy Now. Return to the ECS list and wait until the ECS is successfully created. You can use the EIP and IP address to log in to the cluster to perform operations. If the EIP is not displayed, refresh the page. The EIP will be displayed after the EIP is created. The Java runtime environment is required for running the jar package on the ECS cluster and connecting to the DICE stream. Use WinSCP to upload the JDK compressed package required for the cluster, jar package for generating data, and DICE agent for collecting data from the local PC to the ECS cluster. Then use Putty to remotely log in to the ECS cluster. Run commands to take effect the Java runtime environment of the cluster. Run the jar package and start the DICE agent. Now, let's take a look at how to download and install WinSCP. Enter the website. Download the latest version. Install the program. Then, let's see how to download and install Putty. Enter the website. Download the installer package. Install the program. The newly created ECS is not equipped with the Java Runtime Environment (JI). Therefore, you need to download Jdk and Configure Jre in the cluster. First, let's see how to download Jdk. You can download Jdk from the official website or by clicking the link in the lab manual. The cluster runs the Linux operating system. Therefore, download the development kit Linux version JDK 8191 Linux x64. tar. gz. After the download is completed, upload the JDK package from the local PC to the ECS. Decompress the package and install JDK. First use WinSCP to upload the JDK package. Use the EIP address to log in the cluster. In the left pane of WinSCP, find the JDK storage directory in the local browser. In the right pane of WinSCP, find the target installation path user local in the cluster browser. Then drag JDK from the left pane to the right pane. Upload successfully. After the upload is successful, use Putty to check the status of the installation package. Enter the name and password. Run the cd userlocal command. To go to the userlocal directory, where the installation package is uploaded, run the ll command to view the files in the userlocal directory. If the Jdk installation package exists in the path, decompress the Jdk installation package and configure environment variables. Run the tar zxvf userlocal Jdk 8191 Linux x64 tar gz command to decompress the package. After refreshing the right pane of WinSCP, you can see the decompressed folder JDK 1.8, 0_191. Rename it as JDK. Run the mv JDK 1.8, 0_191 JDK command to rename the JDK. Run the vi etc. profile command to configure environment variables. Add the JDK path to the environment variable. Press the down arrow key to go to the next page and find the path setting line shown in the figure. Press I to enter the editing mode. The insert message is displayed at the bottom of the page. Enter the following path. Press ESC to exit the editing mode, enter the following code. And press Enter to save the settings and exit. Run the source etc. profile command for the environment variables to take effect. To check whether the HUAWEI variables are configured successfully, run the Java version command. If the preceding information indicates that the HUAWEI has been installed, the environment variables have been configured successfully.